Athar and Ashar are joining us from the capital as the campaigning has ended for the third phase. Ashar, coming to you at a time when the country is going into the third phase of elections, the Congress party also announcing the Varanasi candidate. How is it looking ahead of the third phase for the Congress party?
Well, this was a decision which, as we've been reporting on headlines today, was almost certain, say about 2 weeks back. In fact, there was a confusion within the Congress as to who to field. In fact, the name of senior leaders like Digvijay Singh, Dr. Karan Singh, and even General Secretary Janardhan Dwivedi was there in the reckoning. But finally, it was decided that they needed somebody who's from that local area, and Ajay Rai, at the moment a sitting MLA of the Congress party, they thought would be the ideal. So that is why his name has been finally decided. In the last 1 week or so, there were reports coming in that his name will be announced. In fact, there were several late-night press conferences which were held, in which many Lok Sabha candidates were announced, but this was being kept perhaps for the last, and now finally it has been announced. What people say is that Ajay Rai has been in other parties also, but he's a local leader. He's somebody who has his own personal sort of a vote bank. So if nothing else, he will ensure that if the winning margin of Modi is considerably reduced. That is the thinking within the Congress which has been going on.
Now, Ashar, the point is, if the thinking was so clear, why did it take so long?
Well, absolutely. What our sources been telling us is that there was some lukewarm sort of an understanding which they were trying to make so as to come to a conclusion, and perhaps a single candidate of the so-called secular parties would have been given, or a candidate which would have been given which would have not eaten into anti-Modi votes. Because what we've been seeing now is that there is a Samajwadi Party candidate, there is a BSP candidate, and there is a Congress candidate. And not to forget, there is Mukhtar Ansari, which means that the anti-Modi vote is getting divided into 4 different parts. Now, there is a substantial amount of Brahmin vote also and minority vote also. So if all this gets divided, the chances of defeating Narendra Modi automatically decrease. And also the other important thing, which is the margin, that also will not be in the favor of people who are against Narendra Modi. So this is why they were looking for some sort of a tacit understanding, not overt but slightly covert, so as to make sure that the votes, the anti-Modi votes, do not get divided.